going to open the computer. Two. Okay, goes like that.
Oh, you love stuff like that. Opening things. Now, which computer is this that you're doing? This is yours? Yeah, this is my computer.
What are you? What are you doing?
Looking at this computer.
Uh-huh.
TV cat. Oh, it's not magnetic. Oh, it's magnetic. That's not. Oh, now you need probably a guitar pick. Try it open. That's what they usually recommend. Oh, yeah? The pick? So I'm gonna try to fix that port right there. This looks pushed in.
You got it? What's that?
Better screwdriver.
You know what's the good one? You know where we open the car?
Mm-hmm.
Those things. They're probably in the garage. Because the pick is a little bit... Although it's working though. Using a pick. Guitar pick. Okay. Almost. All right. Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay. I got it. It's dirty.
Okay. Now,
Ooh. That's dirty. What the heck?
just carbon.
Carbon? I think we need a, you know, that dusty thingy?
Here's the piece that just went in there. Hold on.
No,
you don't want.
careful not to.
You don't want that to slip back. Let me get those sharp tweezers.
Oh yeah. So this is what the inside of this computer. And I'm trying to... Here is the problem. Right there. I'm gonna have to slip this one. So whatever is holding this charging port is broken.
You want me to get that vacuum?
Huh? No, I'm talking about the dust spray. Oopsie. We don't? Okay.
You get the vacuum.
Yeah, but I'm afraid to...
This is what you want out of there. This
Is that my good one? Ako.
see, it's whatever that is, just slipped in there.
Huh? That's gonna be a one noisy pen. That. See, look. Is that my good one?
Piece of plastic.
That's probably my good one. But anyway, I should have a thing. Because here's the problem.
I know.
Oh, so we need that one. That's, see, that's broken.
So,
Mm-hmm.
we could just super glue it in
Yeah.
back here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, there's a tab that's broken on it.
Yeah.
Or
Where's the rest of the screws?
I've got another one, and this one we can rob.
Huh? Yeah, but then what you gonna charge in that thing?
That doesn't work anyway.
Super glue na lang. Let's just glue this thing. There used to be a glue. It broke. Super glue. We're gonna do super glue. Super glue. We're gonna glue it. Just to hold this. Trying to save my computer. So that used to be like that. Right there.